Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us see, does oatmeal have lectins? The ways to remove the same. That follows with an easy recipe of low lectin rolled oats porridge. Let us start. There are many vegetables with seeds like cucumbers and squash, nightshades like potato and tomato, grains like wheat, rice and oats with a high amount of lectins. However, cooking destroys its harmful effects, but you may find them when consuming in a raw form. Many of us do not know about lectins, so you avoid the same to remain healthy. Food containing lectins may cause digestive distress for some people. Lectins bind to the membrane of the digestive system, disrupting usual metabolism. In others, lectins travel through the digestive system undigested and get excreted. Now let us see, do oats have lectins or not? Oats are considered complete healthy food but contain a few anti-nutrients like phytic acid, avenine and lectins, which you generally try to avoid from the diet. It further leads to leaky gut, causes inflammation and makes you prone to diseases when consuming raw oats. Now let us find out the ways to remove lectins from oats. You may remove the lectin content from oats by soaking it at room temperature or maybe warmer and keeping it overnight. If you add an acid like lemon juice or yogurt, it works tremendously on removing the ill effects of the whole grains. Moreover, the next process is cooking, which eliminates the amount of lectin from the oats. Now let us prepare a low lectin rolled oats porridge. Please note down the ingredients. You need rolled oats half cup, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, salt a pinch, apple 1 chopped, water 2 cups, Ceylon cinnamon powder 1/4 teaspoon and unsweetened almond milk 1/4 cup. Note down the method. Firstly, take a bowl and add rolled oats. Pour 1 cup of warm water and lemon juice to it. Soak it overnight. The next day, drain water from the oats. Add soaked oats, salt and 1 cup of water to a pan. Stir well and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally depending on the consistency required. Turn off the flame. Transfer it into a bowl. Add almond milk and cinnamon powder and mix well. Top with chopped apple. Rolled oats porridge is ready to serve. Hence, you may say that all the prepared oatmeal is free from anti-nutrients like lectin after it has undergone the processes of soaking, boiling and cooking the grains. Thus, without any hesitation, you may continue eating oats without being afraid of the amount of lectins doing any harm to you. Thank you.